Okay, so you have a large warehouse and the birds are sleeping and roosting all day and night. You have tried everything to get rid of this problem, from bird spikes to gel to sound units, and nothing seems to work. Our bird lasers are here to the rescue. The lasers are to be used as a last resort that will be your best defense to get rid of the birds. And this is why. The way the lasers work are simple. They are designed to disturb the bird's sleeping pattern at night. With a simple use of a Christmas tree timer, you would set the laser to go off every hour during the night. The laser would wake up and scare the birds, thus disturbing their sleep patterns. After a few days of interrupted sleep, the birds would start looking for another place to roost. Wouldn't you? Our lasers use green laser beams to seek out bird roosting spots, alarming and confusing the birds, causing them to flee. This technology breakthrough is a proven method of bird control for most large commercial areas. The best area to use the lasers would be in hangars, warehouses, storage facilities, barns, parking garages, and, well, some farmers' fields.